going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go take you on another tour. Actually, I don't know how many stores we're going to today, but we have to drop off some fridges. I'll explain what's going on, but let's start warming up this rammer. And don't forget, guys, for every $5 spent that you purchase any of these coffees, you will get entered to win one of the 3 colors of these RC cars. All right, guys, so now we are in, it's not a rammer. You can clearly see here, no rammer today. We're in a Super Duty, and pulling up to the location number 3. Now, this place, guys, is probably, in my opinion, you know, I don't know, what would you think, Spence? Does this place have the most inventory?
Most inventory and probably the most pristine.
Yeah. This store right here, guys. So this is on Broadway. What is it? Broadway and I get the exact address for you, but it's on Broadway, and you'll see when we walk into this location how pristine, how clean, how much inventory it has. This is store number 209. Like I said, all these stores, they have numbers. So the Alpine store number was 230. The video you saw yesterday was 212. This one is 209. We're here right now delivering a fridge, another of the speed fridge that you guys saw. I'll show you here once we get out, but I'll give you a full tour of this store right here. I think you guys are gonna like this one. So when you first enter, as usual, you will see some inventory outside, portacles, generators, toolboxes, and here it is, boys. I mean, look, just look at the floors. They got a shine to it. Look how clean this place is. Look at, you want to see some oil? Check this oil out right here. Coolant, oil. Trev over there. What's going on, Trev?
What the hell are you doing, boy?
Doing a little vlog for the peeps. Look at this guy. I mean, there's tons of inventory in this place. And this is just a showroom. This is, you know, what you walk in and see. Because if you keep going, you're gonna see def. You're gonna keep going, you're gonna see welders, straps. Look at this. A whole nother second floor. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's just massive. Brakes, pads, calipers, hubs, shocks, hoses. I mean, look at all the goodies down here. This is all spare. You know, people say, oh, can you guys check the back to see if you have them? You know, we actually have a back, guys, and we'll actually check it for you to see if it's in the back. So here's the very back. Here is where all the drivers, same thing like 212, the other store where Jim tells drivers, okay, this gotta go there. Same thing, it's that back area. And I mean, here's just all the inventory. Just tons and tons of stuff, guys. And don't forget, you know, we can deliver to you at home, and you'll be able to buy it on a website. Okay, guys, so now that we're out of the truck here, I'm showing you here. So there's the other 3 fridges that are, one's gonna go here. We're dropping off some more RC cars and some speed energy drink. You got your green option and you got your orange. I got no idea what they taste like. I have not tried any of them yet. Maybe I'll try them both. How do they taste, Spence?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, well, so we'll try it out, guys, and I'll give you a little taste test for you, let you know how it tastes. And if you guys come on right through here, where all the batteries are, look at this. Paint Central over here. Look at this. Paint. We got paint on paint. Oh, look at that. That looks a little familiar. You guys know what that is? For all of my OG followers. I like that. I'm gonna buy this just because of the cover. It's a very good sales point. But check it out. Paint here. Paint over here. Look at this. We can mix your own paint right over here. Look at that. Spare hoses. This is like the side room inventory. Look at all this. Jeez Louise. Look at that. Look at all the, got cans. So now that you guys saw the Broadway store, that's, I would say, probably the cleanest, if not one of the cleanest. I'm gonna show you the Hamul store next. Yes, you're probably wondering, Hamul, yep. There's one on Hamul now, guys. But so that's the Broadway store. That's all the inventory in there. Oh, and check it out. Forgot to show you the new addition to the garage. Bam! Check it out. I don't know if I showed you guys, but we got a drill press now. Got these at all the Napa stores. We have them all. And we got us a bandsaw over here. I've never used one of these. I hear these bandsaws are pretty badass. And again, you can get all this at the Napa stores. We have all these in stock. If we don't, we can literally get it for you in one day. The next day, early morning. So we get this stuff pretty quick. But we just got this bad boy right here. So we're gonna put some fluid in it because it takes coolant. It's got a little, knob there that says you gotta add some coolant. I have purchased this stuff right here, Rust Lick. It says on there, I believe it's like one gallon of water to half a cup of this stuff. Now, I don't know how much coolant this thing takes, if it takes 2-3 gallons, I don't know. It's the pump is in the back over here. I'll look and see where the min-max line is. Flip it, and then I don't know, I think it just drips on this thing. You get a little valve here to open and close. I don't know if this is the like adjuster to, I guess, monitor the flow of it depending on how much needs to come out here. But I heard these things are awesome. What's nice about this one is it goes flat like this, or it can go all the way up, where if you don't want to cut or shape something, you can do that. And yes, we did move some stuff around here, guys, because I'm trying to get a little organized over here. And we have busted out the TIG welder. If you guys saw my Instagram story, I've been trying to TIG weld over here, and I must say it's very difficult to TIG weld. It is nowhere near MIG welding, I will say that much. But been trying to do that, been trying to learn on how to TIG weld, just because it's such a cleaner weld, and it just looks awesome, TIG welding. But what I would want to do, I would like to get rid of this pedal and get that little, they got one right here where you can push. You don't have to deal with the pedal. I guess I want to try it out. I figure one less thing for you to deal with is just deal with it on the handle instead of the pedal. And, we'll go that route and see. But I can't wait. I will do a video for you guys on the drill press and this saw, let you know how it works. And I want to start making some projects, fabricating some stuff, making some cool stuff over here. But we're completely rearranging this garage, trying to get it cleaned up for all the equipment. We moved some of the metal over here, but we still got over there. This thing I moved, it was on this. I don't know if I'm going to put it back on because I don't even know where I'm going to put all this stuff. Then we're going to hang some stuff. We got some pegboards here. Just organize some stuff because it's getting a little messy. Like we got tape here and all this stuff just sort of all over the place, and I feel like it should be on one part of the wall, nice and organized. Getting rid of, toolboxes we don't need, because we got this one is full, and we got this one over here that is full and no longer, need that. And stay tuned, guys. Yes, this video will be uploaded very shortly on this fridge. I know you guys asked about it. It is a smaller one. You wanted to see how it compared to the big one, but you also wanted a smaller version because you said that one is too big just to lug around every day for like a lunch pail. So stay tuned with that. I will be doing a video on that for you also. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.